Hello to my dear students. Welcome back to English classes. And once again here is Preeti Gupta, your English teacher. My dear children, has your best friend ever done something you thought was wrong? What did you do then? Did you keep quiet or did you tell your friend that what he was doing was wrong? Today we are going to study a beautiful story, that is chapter number 7, Fair Play, which is a wonderful story between two friends. The story is written by Munshi Premchand. Munshi Premchand was a famous novel writer, story writer, and a dramatist. His actual name is Dhanpat Rai Srivastav, and Premchand is his pet name. The characters in this story are Juman Sheikh, Algu Chaudhary, Juman's old aunt, Samju Sahu, Panch Pradhan, Juman's wife, and villagers. So, here is a short summary of the chapter The Fair Play. The two friends, Juman and Algu, were good friends. They looked after each other's family in each other's absence. The difference between them arose because of an old aunt of Juman. She had transferred her property to him with an understanding that he would look after her. But with time, he and his family were tired of and insulted her aunt. Then she asked for a monthly allowance to maintain her kitchen. When she was refused, she took the case to the village panchayat. Algu was nominated as head panch by the aunt. But Juman was confident that Algu won't go against him. Algu heard the argument and cross-questioned Juman as well. Later, Algu announced the judgment in favor of aunt. Juman felt betrayed as he thought Algu would consider his friendship. So, their bond of friendship was broken and enmity was developed between them. After a period of time, Algu faced a difficult situation. He sold one of his bull to Samju Sahu, a cart driver of the village, because his other bullock died, with the understanding that payment would be made in a month's time. To his ill luck, the bull also died within a month's time. When Algu asked for the payment, he was denied because he alleged that he was duped as the bull died in 1 month's time. Algu took the case to the panchayat. Both of them met with the people to draw the consent of many to be in their favor. Samju Sahu was asked to choose a head panchayat. Samju Sahu proposed the name of Juman. Juman was also looking for a chance to take revenge from Algu. On the day of hearing, Algu and Samju Sahu put forward their case. They were interrogated deeply. Then Juman stood up to give a verdict and announced that Sahu should pay the price of the bullock to Algu. Then Algu embraced Juman and they were friends once again. Isn't it a wonderful story? So, what is the moral of the story? The moral is no one should deviate from the path of justice and truth for friendship or enmity.